Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your Earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 from your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. Right here at the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. At the left side we have a button Forget the device. You need to click at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list to reconnect them in the future, you need to select Disconnect. But let's remove them, so Forget the device and Forget device. After that, we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.